Hi, and welcome back to Dream Chasers Step 2, and that is sending funds over to your Aurum account. So once you've logged in and you've watched the steps on the previous steps on step 1, you will log in and you will get your main dashboard here as you see it. So the first thing you want to do is to look at funding your account. So you're going to click top up your balance, and there's currently two assets you can use, and that is USDT Tether or USDC if you're in like England and Europe and things like that. So you're going to choose which one. If we look at the USDT, we can choose two different networks at the moment. We've got Tron or the BNB Smart Chain. And if we look at the USDC, you have both BNB Smart Chain, Ethereum, and the Polygon network. Okay, so for this video, I'm going to be using USDCT. I'm going to use the Ethereum network. Then you're going to click continue. And if you're working on a mobile and you have your wallet on the mobile, you can always scan this this screen here, or you can copy the code. So I'm going to copy that, and you can see it's copied. And I'm going to go to my wallet, and depending on what wallet you have, you'll have to look into that. People have various wallets they use from around the world. But in this demonstration, I'm going to just use Coinbase, and I'm going to look at sending crypto. I'm going to paste that wallet address in there. I'm going to choose the Ethereum network as I clicked on that in the topping up the account. And the amount I need to send, you've got to make sure you do this correct. So that all depends on what you're opening your account with. So I'm just going to go back here to my dashboard. And the minimum you want to be sending is, and we'll come on to this in a minute, you want to be able to purchase a package for the ecosystem, which is $19.99 for the year. And you want a minimum deposit of 100. So if you're doing, whether you're doing 250 or more thousand, most people usually come in between $100 and $2,500, which you'll see more about this in later videos. But in this demonstration, I'm just going to start this bot with $100 plus the $19.99 for the Aurum ecosystem membership to use the bot for a year. So if I go back to Coinbase, so I'm looking at, I'm going to include your fees. Now make sure that you include your fees, any fees. The fees work differently on different wallets. So I'm going to put 130 in here. In fact, I'll put 135. That's going to give me plenty. I'm going to click preview. I have to go through this because there's a lot of restrictions in the UK. Then all I need to do is just double check the address, the first four letters, and the last four digits of the address. So I'm just going to go back. Well, I've already checked that. So there we go. I'm going to send that now. Click send. I need to enter my passkey. Okay, that now has said sent. So I'm going to go back to Aurum. Now, the time it takes to go from your wallet over to Aurum all depends on the wallet or exchange that you're using, the blockchain, how quick that picks it up and gets it sent. It can be anything from 20 minutes up to about 24 hours, depending on what system you're using. I'm just going to give that a quick refresh. So that hasn't come in as of yet. So I'm going to pause this video and come back. Okay, I'm back, and there we have it. The funds have now been sent and have appeared in the Aurum dashboard. And that took about 10 minutes. So I'm going to go down, and this is the package that we're going to get. And it's going to be averaging about 12% a month. So what I need to do first is I need to access the Aurum ecosystem. So I'm going to click on this button, and then you're going to make sure that you auto renew every year, and that will come from your balance. And we're going to click confirm. Confirm purchase. Subscription has been activated.